Welcome back to PSL Living. I'm Sarah Prohaska with the City of Port St. Lucie. I am pleased to welcome Blake from Energized Electric and Gas, one of our wonderful Hurricane Expo sponsors. And he is here to tell us why his company decided to get involved in the expo and a little bit about what they do. Welcome, Blake. Thank you so much. Did I say that correctly?
You did.
I did.
Yeah. Thank you for having me.
No problem. Thank you for coming on. So, if you wouldn't just give us a little bit of background about your company.
Yeah, definitely. We're a family-owned company. We've been here locally for over 10 years now.
Okay.
I've been there a little over 9 years. I've done a little bit of it all, from like the field work to the office work to sales work. We service generators.
I was going to ask what you do.
Yeah, okay. We service and install generators. We service and install propane tanks. We fill the propane tanks as well. So anything to do with gas work or natural gas, propane, we can service, we can fill it, we can do it.
All right. I love to hear local PSL business, family owned.
Family owned, yeah.
Wonderful.
There's a couple. My brother works there. I have two of my cousins there. So it's a lot of the family is there.
Okay, wonderful. It's businesses like yours that keep Port St. Lucie special. So thank you so much.
Yeah.
Why did you have you been involved in the expo before?
Yes.
Okay.
I was a part of it last year myself. So I helped set it up last year. I helped do it last year. It was awesome. Great turnout. A lot of people, a lot of good leads, a lot of information we got out there. Preparedness is probably one of the most important things. Just, be prepared. Don't get caught right before the storm, and realize you need, work on your generator, you need electrical work, whatever it is, be prepared ahead of time.
Yes. That is, that's what we're preaching today, right, Christina?
Absolutely. Preparedness is not the week before the storm.
Exactly.
We're so happy to have Energized Electric and Gas out as a sponsor this year. We're so excited that you can make it out today. We know that you've been participating for a long time, and the fact that, just like what Sarah said before, we have these local businesses who want to support the expo, which is a free event for residents because of sponsors like Energized Electric and Gas. And we're able to provide that to residents and focus on preparedness.
Yeah, just being able to, talk to the people. So, it's a way to reach out to the people here and just say, hey, you don't want to get caught when it's too late. That's the most important thing. Make sure you're prepared for when it happens.
Yep. And that's really, I think, what hurricane season comes down to. Each year, we're getting these big major hurricanes now. We've been very fortunate the last 2 years with Hurricane Matthew and Hurricane Irma and previously Hurricane Matthew. And I think that really it's just kind of a matter of time before we really, unfortunately, get hit quite a bit harder, like we've seen with some of our surrounding areas. So I think preparedness isn't just pre-storm; it's also post-storm, and that's something that we'll talk about a little bit more today, and really just encourage residents to come out and meet with some of the businesses that can help out.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. Well, that's we're so excited that you guys do take the time and effort to go out there and meet, and it's a good opportunity to meet customers who are in the market for these sorts of things. So it's wonderful. Christina, some of the other things at the expo that we didn't mention earlier, it's not all serious, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of fun to it.
There's a lot of fun stuff.
Blake mentioned how busy it was last year. I think that we're going to continue to see residents really become more involved. I don't see complacency in our residents like I had in years past. After we had Hurricane Matthew and now Hurricane Irma, we're seeing so many more residents come out and attend. So we also want to do some fun things too. So this year we are working on a small raffle program. We have Walmart on board this year as an in-kind sponsor, and they said, hey, we want to participate. We want to give you some money to shop around in the store and make some hurricane supply kits.
Oh, perfect.
So yeah, we're going to do these really cool, nice size hurricane supply bins. And we're going to fill them with as much as we can. And we'll probably put a nice little sheet on top that's a reminder for residents to still put in what they need to. Their medications, their important documentation, any type of canned goods that they want. And they'll be able to pull that hurricane supply kit out of their closet or their garage each year and make sure it's ready to go. And that'll be a fun raffle prize.
That's great. Okay. And to get the raffle tickets and the T-shirts, though, you have to attend at least one of the the educational components. So wonderful. You're also going to have something new this year that you didn't have, that bring the kids because they might enjoy this. It's like a selfie station or a wind tunnel.
Yeah,
what's happening?
We're going to do both. So super excited. We're trying to make the expo not just educational, but more fun and engaging too, because that's really what an event is. It's a hurricane expo, but we're trying to make it a little bit more fun too.
Yeah.
So we ask residents to sit in on one of the 4 or 5 educational presentations. After that, we'll give them a T-shirt like we talked about earlier, and a raffle ticket. That raffle ticket will enter them in a drawing to win some of the hurricane supply kits that we'll make. And then when they go back into the exhibitor showroom area, we're also going to have a wind tunnel or hurricane simulator this year.
Pretty cool.
Which is pretty neat. You get to just stand in there and see what that wind feels like.
Yeah.
So that'll be a lot of fun. I'm sure there'll be a long line for that one.
Is that free?
That is.
I've been to events where you can do that, but you have to pay to get in that wind tunnel.
You are
So
correct.
it's free.
Normally there is a charge. We are not charging residents for anything at this event.
Okay, fun.
So they'll have the opportunity to do that. So that's one fun thing. And then another really cool thing that I've done in the past, but we haven't done at the Hurricane Expo, is kind of like a green screen. And you might have a better word for it, but
It's just a background where you'll superimpose something cool behind them, right? And then they take their picture and it's emailed to them, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
So if Blake and I were to stand in front of the screen, it might have severe weather, dark clouds in the background to look like a storm, or maybe even a tornado that kicks up, and we can pretend like we're getting blown away. So we might do something like that, and I think we'll do something fun for the kids. There's like a movie out there, Sharknado, I think. So we maybe just be a little silly for the kids to take pictures in front of, and that's free too. So that'll be fun.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
That'll. So bring the kids, because they might learn something too.
Yeah, absolutely.
From the presentations and just walking around and talking to the people. So it's good to get them young, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Especially if you live in Florida. Yeah.
It's we're just relating everything that we're doing at the expo will tie into hurricane preparedness. All the exhibitors, all of the sponsors. It's just, I think it's a good time, but it's also extremely useful and educational if you go out there and you talk to the businesses and say, hey, what can we do this year to prepare?
All right. Well, thank you, Blake, so much,
sure.
and we'll make
Thanks for
sure
having
we
me.
put your information out there. So if people are in the business or looking for a natural gas
Generator,
anything like that, here's a local company right here. It's been around for 10 years. So perfect.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
All right, no problem. Thank you, and we really appreciate your sponsorship.
All right, thank you. I look forward to seeing you at the show.
Well, yeah, we'll see you there. All right, and we'll be right back after these messages with one more exciting Hurricane Expo sponsor.